Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to install Java. As we discussed, we need Eclipse and Maven to proceed with our course, but without Java, it is not possible to execute our Maven commands or even Eclipse. So we are going to install Java on our Windows system. To install Java, first we need to download Java packages. For that, just search for Java JDK download, which will take us to the archill.com website, and here we can download our Java SE packages. Click on the first link. Here we can see the latest version of Java. At the time of recording this video, we have Java SE 15. Now we should download it for Windows, right? We need to go to Archill JDK download page to download it for Windows. So click over here, and if we scroll down here, we have Java packages for different operating systems. We are going to choose Windows 64-bit because my operating system is Windows 10 at this moment. Let's download it. While downloading, we should accept license agreement. So click on this checkbox to download the JDK packages. It takes a while to get it downloaded. We'll wait until it gets downloaded. Alright, download has been successfully completed. Let's open this one in the folder and start installing the Java. So this is the packages which we just downloaded. Let's double click on this one to install it. You should have admin privileges to install these Java packages. I'm already admin on this account, so there is no issue. I mean to say on this system. Alright, so this is the welcome wizard to set up our Java. Let's go. Nothing to change over here. In this page, we can change the Java installation path. By default, it is picking up C drive program files Java. Let it be in the same location. If you wish to change, you can choose the change option. Alright, our setup of Java has been completed successfully. Let's close it. Once installation is completed, you can see the Java packages under C drive program files Java. This is where Java installation has been done, and if you click on this one, you can see the bin, conf, and few other directories. Now we need to set up our Java environment variables to make it work across the system. For that, we should go to this PC properties. Directly we can right click on this PC and go to properties and advanced system settings and environment variables. To come over here, we have another method, that is just search for control panel and system and security, then systems. This is also brings us into the same page. Either way, we can come over here and go to advanced system settings, environment variables. This is where we need to set up system variables. Whenever we set up system variables, this particular application will be accessible across the system, irrespective of whatever user you are. So we are going to set up over here. To set up, first we need to update the path of our Java. I mean to say where it has been installed. So edit the path, and we need to copy the location where we have installed Java. If you remember, this is where we have installed. But to set up path, we need to give the bin as well. So I'm going inside bin. Till here I am copying. So add new path and click on OK. We need to set up one more environment variable, that is Java underscore home. For that, we need to create a new system variable. So click on new Java underscore home and the path of Java where it has been installed. This time we need not to give the bin because it is still JDK level. OK and OK. That's it. I can say we have configured our system variables. To validate it whether it's working fine or not, just go to command prompt, execute Java version command. You can see here Java version 15.0.2 has been installed. It is working fine. And one more command we can execute is Java C. Java C nothing but compilation of the Java application. We haven't provided any application, so it is giving that you need to include few more parameters. Anyway, it is saying that our Java installation has been successful and working fine. In next video, we are going to see how to install Eclipse. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.